If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Photoshop Elements comes with a robust guided edit mode that allows you to make basic choices and have the program do the work for you. To use guided edit mode, click Guided in the Shortcuts bar. In this editing mode, select the image to use. You can choose the photo by making a choice from the photo bin below the work area. Use the drop-down above the photo bin to choose where to look for photos. After deciding which pictures to show in the photo bin, simply click a picture to select it from the photo bin. Then choose one of the 6 categories listed below the Shortcuts bar to start editing your image. The categories for guided edit mode appear directly below the Shortcuts bar. The basics let you make basic adjustments to your image using functions like brightness and contrast and sharpen. The color category lets you make changes to the color of your image, like remove a color cast. Choosing black and white lets you make all or some of the photo black and white using functions like B&W Color Pop. The Fun Edits lets you add interest to your photos by using effects like Puzzle Effect to turn your image into a jigsaw puzzle. The Special Edits category contains artistic effects like Orton Effect and repair functions like Restore Old Photo. The Photo Merge choice in the category list lets you merge different photos together to create a new image. Each category contains at least 4 different functions that let you make changes to the selected image. Simply click the function within the category that you want to apply to open the selected photo in the guided edit mode for that function. All the functions in guided edit mode let you make simple choices from a list of options. You will then be guided through the process of making the changes to your selected image. A panel will open at the right side of the application window that will walk you through the process of editing your photos. Simply follow the instructions listed in the pane to complete the guided editing process. This edit mode lets you create professional-looking photos without the need for professional photo editing skills. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.